Across history, humanity has dreamed of eternal life. Ancient myths told of fountains of youth. Emperors sought elixirs that promised to cheat death. Alchemists searched for secrets hidden in metals and stars. But today, the dream of immortality has left the world of legend and entered the world of laboratories. Scientists are beginning to understand why we age, what breaks down in our cells, and how those processes might be slowed, stopped, or even reversed. Could humans really defeat aging? Could medicine, genetics, or technology make immortality more than a fantasy? Or will life always remain limited by time? This is the story of our quest to conquer aging, and what science reveals about the search for immortality. To fight aging, we must first define it. Aging is not simply the passage of years, it is the gradual decline in the body's ability to repair itself. Cells accumulate damage to DNA, proteins, and mitochondria. Telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, shorten with every division. The immune system weakens. Organs lose efficiency. Scientists describe hallmarks of aging. These include genomic instability, loss of proteostasis, stem cell exhaustion, and cellular senescence. Each hallmark is like a piece of a puzzle. Together, they explain why tissues wear out and why the risk of disease rises with age. Aging is not one process. It is many. Understanding them is the first step towards slowing them down. To imagine defeating aging, scientists look at species that live far longer than expected. The bowhead whale can live more than 200 years. The Greenland shark may survive over 400 years. Some tortoises reach 2 centuries. Even smaller organisms like Hydra show little sign of aging at all. What protects these species? In whales, genes repair DNA more effectively. In naked mole rats, proteins resist damage, and cells fight cancer better. Hydra can continuously regenerate tissues. Nature demonstrates that extreme longevity is possible. If evolution achieved it in other species, could humans borrow those secrets through biotechnology? Human lifespan has already increased dramatically. A person in the United States today lives on average about 79 years, compared with only 35 years in the 19th century. This progress came from clean water, vaccines, antibiotics, and modern medicine. But scientists now aim not just to extend years, but to extend health span, the period of life free from disease. Calorie restriction is one method under study. In mice, reducing calories without malnutrition extends lifespan by up to 40%. Similar effects are seen in monkeys, suggesting humans may benefit as well. Drugs like rapamycin and metformin, originally developed for other diseases, show promise in slowing aging pathways. Clinical trials are testing whether they reduce age-related illness in humans. These advances show that aging may not be fixed. It may be modifiable. Genes play a major role in how long we live. Some families consistently reach over 100 years. Studies of centenarians reveal protective variants in genes linked to cholesterol, DNA repair, and inflammation. One key discovery is the sirtuin family of genes. These regulate metabolism and stress responses. Activating sirtuins with compounds like resveratrol, found in red wine, extends lifespan in laboratory animals. Another breakthrough is telomerase. This enzyme rebuilds telomeres, slowing the cellular clock. In mice, activating telomerase extended lifespan. But in humans, the balance is delicate. Too much telomerase may increase cancer risk. Genetic research shows that immortality will not come from a single switch. It will require precise control of many pathways, balancing repair with safety. Aging is marked by the decline of stem cells. These master cells replenish tissues, but with age, they become fewer and less effective. Scientists are exploring ways to restore stem cell function. Experiments in mice show that transplanting young blood or reprogramming cells with specific factors can rejuvenate tissues. One famous discovery is induced pluripotent stem cells, created by Shinya Yamanaka. These cells can reset adult cells back to a youthful state. Partial reprogramming in mice reverse signs of aging in organs without causing tumors. Regenerative medicine also explores lab-grown organs, bioprinted tissues, and therapies that may one day replace failing body parts. If stem cell research continues to advance, future humans may replace or repair damaged tissues as easily as replacing mechanical parts. Beyond biology, technology may offer new paths to immortality. Cryonics proposes freezing the body at death, preserving it until future technology can revive it. Though controversial, it reflects the human desire to extend life beyond current limits. Brain-computer interfaces raise another idea: digital immortality. If memories and consciousness could be uploaded, a version of the self might survive beyond the biological body. Companies are researching ways to record and simulate neural activity at massive scales. Robotics and artificial intelligence may merge with biology. Some futurists predict cyborg systems where human brains are enhanced by machine components, resisting aging through replacement and augmentation. These ideas remain speculative, but they show how science and technology blur the boundary between biology and engineering in the quest for eternal life. If immortality becomes possible, what does it mean for society? Would only the wealthy gain access, deepening inequality? Would population growth overwhelm Earth's resources? How would family, work, and culture change if people lived for centuries? There are also philosophical questions. Would life lose meaning without death? Would creativity slow if people no longer felt urgency? Ethicists argue that defeating aging is not just a scientific challenge, but a moral one. It forces humanity to reconsider justice, sustainability, and purpose. Immortality is not only a biological problem, it is a societal one. So, is immortality truly within reach? Most scientists believe extending health span is realistic. Drugs, gene therapies, and lifestyle changes could add decades of healthy years. But true biological immortality may remain beyond reach for now. Aging is woven into the complexity of biology. Each intervention may fix one process, but expose another. Absolute immortality may not be possible, yet science continues to push boundaries. The goal may not be eternal life, but lives that are longer, healthier, and more fulfilling. Even if we cannot defeat aging, we can transform it. From ancient myths to modern laboratories, the search for immortality reflects humanity's deepest desire: to overcome time. Science shows us that aging is not fixed. It can be studied, slowed, and perhaps altered. But immortality is more than a scientific puzzle. It is a question of meaning, ethics, and identity. What matters may not be endless years, but the quality of the years we have. By extending health, reducing suffering, and expanding possibility, science already reshapes the human journey. Immortality may remain elusive, but the pursuit of it teaches us who we are and what we value. This is the hidden universe of aging and the search for eternal life. If you enjoyed this exploration, subscribe for more journeys into science, discovery, and the future of humanity.